and Kyle Stephens. Up on run number one, green comes out. We'll hustle on down into turn number one. Kyle Stephens right here, the St. Charles, Missouri racer. Up to the front spot. Racing that elite chassis to the number one position off of turn number four and down the front straightaway. Stephens followed by Schrader. Now Ken Schrader into the number two spot, put Devin Havlick back to the number three spot. Around the outside comes Wimmer and Chambers. Look out! Couple of them together off of two.
Henry Chambers going to go up, dropping down to the bottom back here in that, trying to battle for that fifth spot. Side by side, he will go. Chambers, look at Hooper go all the way up the hill. Slicing and dicing the driver out of Oldman City, Kansas, the 17 machine. Now rip the lip one more time as it is Havlick, Wimmer, and Chambers in this three-car battle for your third, fourth, and fifth spot. Henry Chambers not done yet as he's going to get another full head of steam down the back straightaway. See if he can take it one more time to the 5D Devin Havlick. Can he get it this time? He'll get almost to the outside.
Havlick going to keep him at bay that time by 17 one-thousandths of a second. Almost a 2-second lead for Kyle Stephens over the field, but the battle for third is still a good one. Havlick powering the bottom, but now he'll give way to Henry Chambers to third. 5 down, 5 to go. Now will be 4 left at the line for the St. Charles, Missouri racer, the 8 of Kyle Stephens.
Stephens, your race leader. Ken Schrader runs second. Henry Chambers, Devin Havlick, and Tyler Stevens are top 5 right now. Stevens, Davis, Goodmanson, Wimmer, Bergdorf, and Butch Lyons. The 10 cars making that trip around the quarter mile. Laps continue. We have got now 3 more trips to go for Kyle Stephens. Taking down the back straightaway. It'll be the deuce this time by for driver number 8.
Tanner Stevens back there. He's a great shot of Kyle Stephens right there down the front straightaway. 2 to go this time at the starter stand. He's got Schrader back there, 2.7 of a second back. The USAC Silver Crown Car Racer. I think he said last night when we were talking after the races, tonight going to be about his 4th or 5th night behind his open wheel modified, and he says, man, I love these things. Down the back straightaway, going to bring that Global Plus number 8 machine down to victory lane in the win. Kyle Stephens.